How to auto-post to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at once. Posting manually to multiple platforms can be exhausting. With Vista Social, you can auto-post to Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter all at the same time with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. First, connect your social profiles under the Profiles section in your Vista Social account. You can link your Facebook page, Instagram business account, and Twitter profile seamlessly. Once everything is connected, go to the Create Post area. Now write your caption and upload your media, photo, video, or even a link preview. Vista Social lets you tailor your message slightly for each platform if you want. This means you can keep Instagram image focused while making your tweets shorter and to the point. After customizing, simply select all 3 platforms before scheduling your post. You can pick a future time or post immediately. Once scheduled, Vista Social handles everything in the background. Your post will go live on each platform automatically. No need to jump from app to app. This saves time and keeps your brand consistent across channels. Whether you're a marketer, small business, or content creator, this feature alone can free up hours every week. Thinking of trying it? The link to join Vista Social is in the description. Get started today and streamline your posting workflow like a pro.